This is a photo bombing. It's basically your mascot's head. We have over 160 different mascots, so chances are we already have your mascot done up. And we sell them in a set of 5. You get 5 of these whenever you purchase a set of our selfie frames. And I want to talk about these though right now. These are a lot of fun. Wherever you are in a group, whether it's an assembly or a faculty meeting or a sporting event or just in the classroom, you can have a lot of fun with these photo bombing people or just making silly pictures of yourself as well. And beyond that, you can actually use these to educate and incentivize your students. And a lot of times we talk about extending the reach of our core value programs beyond the walls of the school into the home and into the community. And here's one way you could do it really quickly. You could just give this to one of your students as a homework assignment and say, tonight, your assignment is to go home and get your parents involved and talk about what it means to be responsible or respectful, whatever core programs you want these children to learn about, and have them take a picture of you demonstrating what it looks like. So if responsibility is the word, and one of your responsibilities is helping clean the kitchen table, then have your parents take a picture of you like this, clearing the kitchen table, and send it back to the teacher. It's a great way to get the parents involved and get them on board, and the student involved, and extend the reach of your program. So this is just one of the many, many ways that you can actually use this. You can, incentivize your students by just letting them, carry it for a little while in class, or you have a lot of ideas. I know you do. So what I'd like to ask you to do is I want you to think, if you had a set of these with your mascot head on them, how would you use them? Think about that. And please share your ideas with me. Email them to me at info@mascotjunction.com. Thank you.